Hello friends, welcome. Before starting to paint the image, let me explain something. I have divided the canvas into three parts, that is background, midground and foreground, with some negative space in background and in foreground. To enhance the midground, I add some negative space in background and in foreground. I drew some lines that is in the form of grass to travel the eyes comfortably from one point to other point for watching the image. Let's start painting the image. Start painting with random strokes from background towards foreground with lighter color to deeper color. It will be convenient for you if you use different layers for different images, like a mountain in the background in one layer and the trees in other layer. Leave some places without color where it is admissible for relieving to the eyes. By the way, I used Photoshop default pressure opacity soft brush with a texture as a dual brush. And the important thing is that you have to often configure the dual brush settings for spacing, for scattering, count as and when you need. The advantage of using separate layers is that if you are not satisfied with your paintings, you can remove it anytime and can do it on a new layer. In real life, when we paint on canvas or paper, it is not possible, as Photoshop give you the opportunity. Uh, so why you should not use it? For a beginner or a novice or unexperienced persons, it is much needed. I draw here freehand, but if you are unable to draw freehand, you can take reference of any image and placing a new layer on it, you can copy from that layer, from that image. Taking the help of a reference image has an additional advantage, where the shadows and highlights would be. But one thing you should keep in your mind, that the source of light in your reference image and in your uh, what you are painting in your canvas, the source of light should be in the same direction. You should often use curve or labels from image menu or from layer menu to correct your tonal effect, or uh, for sharpening your image from the unsharp mask filter. Multi-layer based image gives you always gives you an opportunity to resize or reposition your objects, or even remove your objects if you don't like it. By the way, I have other videos on drawings and paintings in Photoshop, which I am giving here a link. I request you to watch them and give your comments as a feedback to me. I copied the layer and mirrored it vertically, decrease the opacity, and remove some portion, erase some portion of the image to show it as a reflection. some finishing touches here and there. Apply some dodging and burnings with labels and curves, and sharpening the image with unsharp mask filter. Hope you enjoy the paintings, and I request you to subscribe my channel.